Are you looking for the best 4K Blu-ray players? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best 4K Blu-ray players on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sony 4K Blu-ray player. This 4K Blu-ray player unlocks stunning visuals for an immersive home theater experience. High dynamic range, HDR, and Dolby Vision technologies deliver exceptional picture quality with vivid colors and realistic contrast. Stream your favorite shows and movies in stunning 4K resolution using built-in Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity, compatible with popular services like Netflix and Amazon Prime. Play your personal media collection with ease from the USB port. The user-friendly interface and quick start mode ensure you can quickly access your favorite content. This versatile player supports various audio formats, including high-res audio and DSD, for exceptional sound quality. An included HDMI cable makes for a hassle-free setup, completing your home entertainment system. Upgrade your home theater experience with this feature-rich 4K Blu-ray player. Number 2. Samsung 4K Blu-ray player. This 4K Blu-ray player offers exceptional picture quality for movie enthusiasts and casual watchers alike. High dynamic range, HDR, technology delivers stunning visuals with sharp details, rich colors, and realistic contrast. Immerse yourself in your favorite content with Dolby Atmos support for captivating surround sound. This player ensures uninterrupted enjoyment with its fast loading times and smooth playback. Built-in Wi-Fi allows for effortless access to popular streaming services, providing a variety of entertainment options. Excellent reviews praise this 4K Blu-ray player's performance and value, making it a perfect choice for any home entertainment system. Number 3. Oppo 4K Blu-ray player. This 4K Blu-ray player delivers exceptional picture quality for an immersive home theater experience. Advanced technology ensures stunning visuals with remarkable clarity, lifelike detail, and vivid colors. Stream your favorite shows and movies effortlessly with built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. This player boasts exceptional loading speeds and smooth playback for uninterrupted enjoyment. It supports various audio formats, creating a captivating soundscape. Easily connect your TV, computer, or other external devices for a versatile entertainment hub. This feature-rich 4K Blu-ray player is a perfect upgrade for any home theater system. Number 4. Philips 4K Blu-ray player. If you want a great 4K Blu-ray player that shows amazing pictures and works really well, the Philips 4K Blu-ray player is a good choice. It makes your movies and games look even better with its special technology called Dolby Vision. The colors and contrasts are fantastic. It's perfect for people who love movies and games. You can connect to the internet with Wi-Fi and stream all kinds of shows and movies. That's great because you can watch stuff from lots of different places. Plus, it makes regular movies look awesome on your 4K TV. The design is nice and it's easy to use. Overall, the Philips 4K Blu-ray player is a good pick for anyone who wants a great player without spending too much money. Number 5. Panasonic 4K Blu-ray player. This 4K Blu-ray player delivers an exceptional home theater experience with stunning visuals and immersive sound. Ultra HD premium video playback technology ensures incredibly realistic and detailed images, while high-res audio support guarantees clear and rich audio reproduction. The sleek black design seamlessly complements any entertainment setup. Versatility is a key feature, as this player supports a wide range of video and audio formats, including 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray, DVD, CD, and MP3. A user-friendly interface and a simple remote control make navigating your entertainment library a breeze. This feature-rich 4K Blu-ray player is a perfect upgrade for any home theater system. Number 6. OREI 4K Blu-ray player. This versatile 4K Blu-ray player enhances your home entertainment setup by offering a variety of functionalities. The HDMI signal copying function allows you to easily connect multiple devices to your TV or monitor for a streamlined entertainment experience. Support for Ultra HD and HDMI 2.1 ensures exceptional 4K picture quality, with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Smart EDID management simplifies device communication, while HDCP 2.3 compliance guarantees a secure connection. This versatile device can even downscale 8K content to 4K resolution, providing compatibility with a wider range of displays. Its compact size and user-friendly setup make it perfect for both home and professional use. This feature-rich multimedia player is a great choice for movie enthusiasts or anyone looking to enhance their home theater experience.